Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into the channel, and today is just going to be a quick episode of where my order stands for my 22 Spark, and also I'm going to show you my personalized license plate that I'm going to be putting on the Spark. So guys, let's jump in and go for a ride. Well guys, hope you're doing well. I am myself. It's been 10 days since I placed the factory order on the 22 Spark, and I haven't heard anything from the dealer. I think it was going to take a couple weeks before they actually get the build code that it is slated for production. So technically I'm just over week 1 of the week, probably 15 or 16. So I'm going to put it on the calendar. Guys, in the comments section, let me know when you think I'm going to pick up my Spark or when it lands at the dealer. Person closest to the date is going to win a prize from Cordetti Motorsports. You get a free t-shirt, decals, and I might even throw some cash in there as well. So guys, if you're new here, thanks for tuning in. I'm your host, Jeff Cordetti, and today we're just going to give a quick update on my 22 Spark factory order. 10 days ago, I did go into Westcastle Motors here in Pincher Creek to place an order on a new Spark, due to the fact that I couldn't find one on any other dealer lot, especially in the trim package that I wanted. So I did end up going with a base LS with just 2 options that I clicked on the option package, which were the blue that I picked. It's the Cavalry, not the Cavalry Blue, it's but Mystic Blue. I went to Toyota with the Cavalry Blue, but anyway, Mystic Blue is what I picked for, what I chose for the color, and also the block heater. When the car does land, it'll probably be winter time, closer to Christmas or in December sometime. So what I'm going to do is upgrade to a winter tire package from the dealer. But that's basically it. It's your low cost motoring, no frills, economy car with rowing my own gear. So that's kind of what I did with it. So once I do get the build code or any information from the dealer, I will update you. I believe Sparks are still in production. I don't think the microchip shortage has hampered any of their production output capacity. It may be reduced, but I have not found that out. I will do some digging and get the latest and greatest from General Motors and maybe some insiders that would like to share anything with you guys on Spark production and General Motors short and medium term outlook, if the microchips are affecting it or not. But anyway, that's where we'll go with this. But I do want to show you my personalized license plate. So I did have a 2018 Chevy Spark, which I used for a promotion about 3 years ago. I since sold it, bought a Tacoma, and now I'm back into the Spark because the Spark is actually where I need to be with my job commute and the rest of the car, how useful and how economical and fun to drive it is. So when I did purchase the Spark, I chose the most appropriate license plate for it. So my personalized license plate is the most appropriate one that you can get on a Spark, which is air fuel. So it's the 3 items that make an internal combustion engine work. I went with this. It is so appropriate. A lot of people who get it give me the thumbs up or talk about it, and it just adds a lot of flavor. So unless you're not in Alberta and you want to get a personalized plate, I highly recommend the air fuel. So that's what's going to be going on Spark number 2. But anyway, guys, there's not much more of an update than showing you what my personalized plate is, where the order sits, and what I think I'm going to get it. I'm going to throw a date out there as of November 23rd is when it'll land at the dealer, and I should have it the following day. So that's my guess. If I win, I'll give myself a dinner out. If you guys guess closer, I will throw some prizes at you. But anyway, guys, if you're new around here, thanks for watching. Hopefully you're going to enjoy it. I'm the host, Jeff Cordetti. To continuing subscribers and commenters, thank you very much. Really appreciate the support. Hopefully content gets a little bit better as I go along. There will be some other additions to the channel as well, and I'll go over those in upcoming episodes. So guys, thanks a lot for coming along, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Cordetti Motorsports. You guys stay loose for now.